Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build a powerful online brand that makes money and lasts for years. So if you want to build a wealth creating and lasting online brand, this is a step-by-step how to create a wealth building brand using AI, from strategy to content, all the way to automation. So why branding matters? An online brand is more than just a logo. It's your voice, content, and presence that builds trust, attract clients, and generates income. And with AI, you don't need a big team. You can create and scale smarter than ever. So the first step that you can do is define your brand identity with AI. You can start with AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini and ask them to generate your brand mission, tagline, and target audience. So for example, in here, I'm going to use this prompt: generate a unique brand identity for a sustainable fashion business targeting Gen Z. So you can just generate it and wait for the response. As you guys can see, it will give you the brand identity, revive, brand core in here, the personality, visual identity, tagline ideas, and even digital strategy, and also packaging. And the steps two that you can do is visual design with AI. You can use tools like Recap AI, Canva, or Midjourney to create logos, color palettes, and social templates. And remember, consistency is key to brand recognition. And the next step, content creation with AI. AI help you generate blog posts, videos, and social media captions. For example, you can use tools like Notion AI or Copy AI that will speed up content planning, while Runway or Pika to turn your ideas into video. And the next steps, automate with AI agents. You can set up Zapier agents like there or make.com to automate tasks like posting content, collecting leads, or sending emails. That's how you can scale without burning out. And the next step is monetization strategy. So turn your brand into wealth by adding income streams like selling digital products, affiliate marketing, offer services or consulting, and launch a community or membership. So that's how you build a lasting wealth creating online brand with AI. Don't wait, start building today. If this helped, like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.